It's Monday, 9:45 a.m. Oh. I'm actually off right now to... All morning long, I've been battling what I think is like some mild food poisoning. Everything was fine last night and fine overnight. And then this morning I woke up like about an hour before my alarm. Not feeling great. And yeah, it was like a rough hour or two there. I got Lila up. Well, Sarah got Lila up. And then I got her to school. And then I came home and got about an hour rest maybe. But I have got a meeting to go to. And I've decided to keep the meeting. I'm feeling hopefully well enough. Heading off to a meeting right now for, it's basically a pre-production meeting for a video shoot, like a promo for this lady's makeup and hair business. And actually we might piggyback a photographer who's going to be shooting the session that the artist wants captured. We might piggyback the photographer's shooting of that session into the photographer's own video. So this might be 2 clients for the price of 1, even though I'm going to charge him more than 1. Okay, I gotta head out. Remember when Lila and I came and got ice cream the other day and they had coffee, but I didn't get a chance to try it? Well, guess where I set up today's meeting? I want to try this coffee. So, meeting went really well. It looks like we're going to start working together, Laura and I, on a promo film for her. Yeah, that's going to be good. That'll be next month sometime. I'm still not feeling great. I definitely have something. I don't know if it's food poisoning or what. I don't feel sick, so that's what I'm assuming. And it's noon right now. I keep on forgetting about this roast. This pork roast. I don't know if pork shoulder or pork butt, or is that the same thing? That I bought on Friday to put in the smoker, but we always forget about it, to put it in time. So it's noon, which it might even already be late, but I think I'm gonna try to get it on there. Smoke it on low smoke until an internal temp of, I think, 160, and then wrap it in tin foil, and then maybe do high smoke depending on the time, to try to get it up to 210 from that point, and hopefully it'll be done by dinner and we can have it. That is the plan right now. It's funny how that flickers right here on the video. It's not flickering right now to me. It's because of the frame rate. I'm so high on this. Watch this. If I lower the frame rate, it's going to get really bright, but that'll stop flickering. See? Funny how that is, huh? It's the refresh rate of this display. Our eyes can't see it refreshing, but I'm so fast of a shutter speed right now on this that the camera can see it refreshing. All right, grill is ready to go on the low smoke setting. Today, too, I'm going to use the probe that came with it. I've got my own probe, one of the iGrills that talks to my phone, but I don't want to have that going for 6-7 hours, however long this is going to be in there. The battery would probably die talking to my phone the whole time. So we're just going to use this probe where I can come and touch the button. It'll tell me what the probe temp is. So all I have to do here is feed this through this little guy. Like so. And down here, all you do is plug it into the probe port. And then you can hit the probe button. 73 degrees right here. Watch this, I can probably hold it and make it go up. 77, 78. So this is what I've got here. About the other day, Parketta roast boneless pork shoulder. Actually, it's boneless. But this is what we're gonna throw on. All right, So we're kind of in set it and forget it mode now. We've got that low smoke setting, and we're at 181 degrees right now. The meat is 32. It's cold. We want that to go to about 160. So Woodwind, do your thing. See you in a couple hours. We're about 1 hour down and smoking up nice. And I'll say it smells great out here. Right now the meat is at 60 degrees. 100 more to go. Plenty of pellets. Okay, it has been about 5.5 hours. Let's check the temperature of the meat. 165 inside, and the meat is 145. Ugh. Need that to be 160. I think I might change this to high smoke. Okay, let's check the temperature here. 158. That's close enough to 160. I'm gonna pull it off and wrap it in tin foil. See what this looks like. That's looking pretty good. Back on she goes. So I actually just double checked the temperature on what the roast is supposed to be at when you take it off. I thought it was 210. It's actually 205, which right now probe says it is 208. So it's time to pull this bad boy off. It's got to rest, like, one thing said 15 minutes, another thing said an hour, so it's got to rest at least a little bit. It's off. So it is 8:15 right now. While I didn't put it on as early as I wanted, it's been on for about 8 hours. It should still be really, really good. Do you smell it, Pug? Do you smell the yumminess? Do you smell the roast? All right, the meat has been resting now for about an hour and 15 minutes because I went to the store and got some stuff, some buns. Sarah gave Lila a bath, so stuff took an extra long time. And then we just put her to bed. It's now 9:30 p.m. Time for dinner. Let's see what we got here. Still warm. Pretty good. Probably put some, well, we will put some barbecue sauce on it there. Good. There's no way you can hear me from there. I have to chew like this. Sarah's in the other room and says she can hear me chewing.
You might want to put some music over that.
You can see like the smoke ring that penetrated the meat a ways. Sweet baby. Raise. Yep. On camera chewing. In 3, 2, 1. We gotta get that on a bun ASAP. We've got the classic. And then we've got the first class. Before we continue, there was a minor spilling of a giant glass of water event that occurred. Hours in the making. Worth it.